product has to stay the same. So if this becomes closer in, moment of inertia changes and the speed has to go up. So that's the ice skater. That's how the ice skater works. Mass is out here, spread farther out. That times the spin rate is a certain number. Okay, it's like having some product of numbers being 16. 1 times 16. It could be 2 times 8, 4 times 4, etc. And so when this comes in and the mass gets closer to the axis of rotation, the spin rate has to go up. All right, and the most obvious thing is the ice skater. Other interesting things are along the lines of, say, the sun. How long does it take our sun to go around once? It's different, but it's a ballpark. It's a ballpark. Do you know? No. A month. Our sun rotates on its axis once a month. Ballpark. Okay. When that mass starts going in, okay, as in after, say, a supernova explosion, and all the mass starts going like this, the spin rate goes up and up and up, okay, ending up in things like neutron stars and black holes. The most famous one, the Crab Nebula, all right, ended up spinning 30 times a second. Now that's too fast for us to see, as in it actually was emitting light radiation at that rate, 30 times a second. So now that's too fast for us to see, and scientists didn't even know what was happening. So this is some time back now, but then when they discovered it, they actually put a strobe. Some astronomers put a strobe at the end of a telescope, and they're looking at one star. And the theorists had predicted that there was this interesting pulsing coming from this thing, which ends up being called a pulse. Can't stop it, or nuclear fusion can't stop the gravitation going in. Nuclear fusion starts, the process dies, gravity wins. Gravity's winning all the time. It takes some time, but gravity wins, and it comes, and the rate goes up and up and up. They put this strobe effect on there, and I once saw this film of these two astronomers. They said they almost passed out. Because here's literally, so you have these great angular momentum demonstrations and that lead up to this, okay? So when you talk about that, you get everything all going.
This is called.
This is our fire tornado. Now this is not the same, there's not going to be the same issue that happened with the big explosion we heard about a couple months back. Okay, they had chemicals they were mixing in with this stuff, and long story, they had a big bunch of this sitting open somehow nearby. Really brilliant, okay? So when a little explosion started, it hit that and boom. Okay. So this is just a little place for this. And here's the cool thing about this. And a lot of you like this because of it's just regular alpha alcohol. That's not. This is in the wrong container. This is stuff that isn't so good. That one of the staff purchased. So they got the good stuff. Plain old alpha alcohol, which of course I understand, and I really did not know this. Apparently that's literally the ethyl alcohol. So when we're doing events at places, we make sure it's sort of the big, is put away somewhere. Someone walks by, they know what that's for. Anyway, so interesting kind of stuff. Now, this ties in beautifully with convection currents. Okay, we sit around campfires and the hot air rises and the cold air comes in from behind. And if you're sitting on the beach in a big campfire, you feel. So there's a sense of circulation because the way this is designed. And then as this rises and the cold air goes in to replace it, it's coming up like this. Okay, and little by little by little, that conservation momentum leads to this thing spinning and spinning and spinning. Okay, the last time I did, tap this. Actually, if we turn the lights off or down, the switches that are handy. There we go. Oh yeah, you're gonna love this. So we'll do this. It is centered nicely. Now don't breathe. No, I'm teasing. It's not 100% guaranteed it's going to work out, but this looks pretty good. You can see it starting.
You open those doors behind you. I can feel a change in every way. Look at that. Wow. And as the surface breaks, reflections fade. Now, it's very hot also. We don't want to melt the plastic. Isn't that sweet? Wow. That is sweet. Now I didn't have enough fluid.